Oh, yeah.
So we've got the summer trips litter in here. This is kind of their first time on tile, other than just being carried around. Yeah, there you go, big guy. That one's Zion, right? Zion and Acadia are yep. Acadia they're like twinsies, but one's a boy and one's a girl. Oh, check out the toy. That's good. I think that one's Mesa. I think it's a girl.
Light blue.
Denali, she's the leader of the pack kind of thing. She's not bossy, but more like, hey guys, let's play. Let's go have fun. Yep, Mesa's on the same lines. Just kind of see their personalities play out, huh? Look at how cute you guys are. Yeah. Dear, look at those pretty blue eyes. Yeah. What's he doing, Sierra? She's just got a sweetheart face. And Bryce. He got a big old chunky face. Reminds me of his daddy. Got those spots in there, huh? What's he doing, puppers? You guys gonna maybe creep in there? You guys are huddling like it might actually be cold outside, and it is anything but that. Yeah. They might be worn out. They got rebathed. Oh, Sequoia's hiding over there. I think her face is so pretty. Huh. I like the Merle face. He's handsome. Huh. He's handsome. Oh, you made an entrance into your water dish, huh? Do you like water? Huh? Come here, Acadia. Let's see your pretty face. You're gorgeous, huh? You're a gorgeous puppy girl. Denali's like, here, you should love me. Yes, everybody likes you, Denali. Everybody thinks you're hilarious. I want to play. I want to play. Look at all that brown. Those tan points coming out. She's going to be so interesting. Like once she actually gets clipped too, you can see all those under hairs in there. So many different colors. Whoop! We got good teethers right now. Yeah, good teethers. Yeah. Oh, here comes some kids. I bet the kids can get them riled up. Which kid was that?
Top and bottom.
You guys gonna come in here, play with some puppies?
Come on.
Are you just so tired, Sierra? Denali's crawling in my lap. Oh, we got a kid. This one definitely wants to play. Look at that tail. Oh, are you gonna clean it up? Thanks. Hey, Demetra. Hi, Demetra, girl. Oh, yeah, clean it up. Thank you. Obviously well socialized with kids.
Yes.
Good job. Thank you.
I didn't
Oh, you're vicious, Denali. Vicious. What was that?
At least I just can do it right back in.
She's like, whoa, he's coming in strong. Yeah, find another one. Oh, yeah, that one likes one, huh? There we go. There's a pretty girl.
Papa.
A handsome boy. Oh, does that feel good? Leaning into that one. You must like that, Bryce. Oh, yes.
This one does.
Did you come give me kisses? Oh, that one loves you too? That's so nice. Hey, be nice. Thank you.
I got the tired one.
She does seem tired, huh? They all seem a little exhausted. Baths are just such hard work.
Puppy, puppy. Oh.
Hey, are you licking me now? Oh, he's being cute, isn't he?
Yeah.
Whoop! You're gonna flip over. Watch out, Zion.
I got two now.
You sure do.
I got a. This one's playful.
Yeah, it's Mesa.
Ooh, this one's
Denali's very playful too.
playful.
I think this one's a snuggler. I think Sierra's a snuggler, huh?
This one likes me.
I think this one likes me. Should be like the kids. Like this one likes me, and this one likes me.
Puppy. Puppy.
Oh, Zion's warming up to you, huh?
Puppy. 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 Puppy.
This one's Denali.
Denali.
We got so many names around here. We get our names confused, mixed up.
Denali.
Yeah, get this in your mouth, Denali.
He was the gum. No.
Oh, Sequoia's coming to say hi to you.
Me?
Yeah.
He sure didn't bother. Mom, can I try? Puppy. Puppy.
Let me see if they want to play with the bouncy ball.
Puppy. Puppy. This one wants it.
No, don't be putting it in her mouth. Be nice.
Oh.
Be nice.
Alright.
Okay. Hey, get out of there.
What are you chewing on my shirt? What? This one's a snuggle bug.
She is a snuggle bug, huh?
This one would.
Sequoia's liking you too. Hoarding some puppies. That's what we're doing. We're just hoarding some puppies. Are you guys going to come in here too?
Yes, please. Ow. Kenny. Ow. Look at this one. Look at this puppy back.
Yep. These two are just sleepyheads right now, huh?
Yeah. This one's a bitey head. Ow. Ow.
Yeah, that one's
This one's a.
she's a go-getter. Those two right there are the go-getters in the bunch. Aw.
These two?
Yeah, Zion was acting timid earlier this week. I'm glad to see he's kind of coming out there.
Who's Zion? At this one.
That one.
Turn on my finger.
Mm-hmm.
Who's this gray one?
Denali. Yeah, she's going to make herself known. She doesn't know what stranger means. Nor does Mesa. This one's Bryce. And, and Acadia.
Puppy. You look so cute. Mom, he turned on his head. Likes me.
Did they?
Because he went, oh, this one likes everybody. Turn on the cake.
Oh, there you go. Oh, we're finding the cuddle bugs, huh?
Yeah. I found a cuddle bug. Oh, that one. Simon, stop keeping Bryce.
You gotta let go. I gotta spread the love. Aw, look at Zion over there.
Wait, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
You got puppy.
Yep.
No, these two just like to get in there. Get in there.
Hey, be gentle.
Good Bryce.
Good girl, Sierra.
This one came to me.
That's Sequoia. I like her face.
Go in the west. Oh, this one walking around.
They're pretty sweet, aren't they?
This one has blue eyes.
Mm-hmm.
Aw.
Well, hopefully you guys. Hey, that hurt. Those are too sharp for that.
I made
My hands are tougher than my knees, apparently. Oh yeah.
I made this one come. Mommy, look at the body.
Isn't he being
Mom,
cute
I
to
made
you
this
too
one
now?
come. Timmy.
You just made it come, huh?
Yeah, by this.
Interesting.
Mommy, what's this black one's name?
Sierra. She looks like she got the sweetheart face, I think.
Name?
That's Zion.
Stop it. Zion. You're a good, nice puppy.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, this
We
one
got a
is-
couple of snugglers if you guys are looking for snugglers.
This one. I get.
That's Sequoia.
I want a snuggler.
And then we got some non-snugglers.
Here's a snuggler.
Non-snuggler. Snuggler.
Non-snuggler.
Non-snuggler.
Oh.
Oh, look at you coming out of your cell, right? Or Zion? Yes. I like the little butt bump you did there. They're pretty cute.
It was to play. So then you got a snuggler. And Mile. This one's starting to move, huh?
Mm-hmm. They're waking up, I think. Pretty cute, huh?
This one don't look like this one's waking up first.
Mm-hmm.
This one has I
Yep.
made this one come.
Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Nice little interaction with the kiddos.
This is Yeti. Looks like you got blue.